The Kala flatbed laminator has unique benefits that make it truly stand out from the competition. It's the only flatbed laminator that can be delivered through a door instead of as a fully assembled unit. This means lower shipping costs and a much higher flexibility in the placement in a wrap shop. All laminators are custom assembled by trained technicians, so there is no guesswork in terms of setup. More importantly, it's the world's only flatbed laminator that operates with electric motors and not an air compressor. Hearing is believing. Let's listen to an air compressor flatbed laminator. And now, let's listen to a Kala. And now you can see the difference with air compressors versus the electric motors of the Kala, especially when mounting boards. With air compressors, if you are working on the side of the table, the roller will drop unevenly. This means you can only work from the center of the table, which severely limits production workflow. Because the roller of the Kala flatbed laminator is controlled by electric motor, it means that a drop is perfectly even when working from the side of the table. This means mounting boards can happen anywhere on the table for ideal workflow. More importantly, with air compressors, the roller will drop heavily off a board, which can lead to mistakes and accidents. With the Kala flatbed laminator, if a roller comes off the board, the drop is controlled and stopped. Now we move on to unique characteristics of the Kala flatbed laminator. There are two intuitive control boards, one on each side, and they have 3 different pressure options. And there are multiple drop options: press and hold, and a double tap automatic drop. One tap on the button will raise the roller. Kala is all about safety, and by pressing these 2 buttons, the roller will automatically lift, which is ideal for beginners. By pressing these 2 buttons, the roller drop can be slowed, which again helps with beginners learning the machine. The control boards are enclosed, which means no accidents, and this unique laser system will detect unwanted objects and automatically slow the roller so it can be raised. A built-in cutting groove on the side is standard for most flatbed laminators, but what is unique about the Kala is that the side is beveled, which slows the blade down so it doesn't jump off the side of the table. In short, safety has been intelligently incorporated on all levels for the Kala flatbed laminator. Most flatbed laminators with air compressors have no storage directly underneath the table, which means you have to work from the outside in. With the Kala flatbed laminator, there is a wide storage area directly underneath the table, which can be used for a wide variety of workflow options that best suit a wrap shop, like storing the daily workflow underneath the table for focused production, or for storing rolls of film and lamination so they don't take up workspace on rollers next to the table. Additionally, a storage rack can be mounted to the end of the table, and keep in mind that it works with the same shafts as the stand-up laminators. This storage mount saves even more space in your work area for focused workflow. For production, this bar can be locked into place above the roller, and is perfect for small rolls that can be placed here quickly for small jobs. And for bigger jobs, the shaft can be mounted securely in place, which helps create high volume workflow. This trimmer can be added to the Kala flatbed laminator as well. It can be easily taken off the laminator and added back onto it to give the production team flexibility. It's a premium cutter, which means long-term precision and durability. An underside tray can be placed on one end, which can serve to hold production tools, and it can be used to roll the film out. Kala has also created free PDF files for customers that can be used to create panels that can then be mounted to the table. Here, a cool design was laminated, installed, and trimmed all on the flatbed Kala laminator. The boards can then easily be mounted directly to the laminator for extra branding for the wrap shop. So it's clear that the Kala flatbed laminator is all about safety, quality, and even fun. For more information and to find a distributor in your area to purchase one, go to the Kala website today.